Okay, here we go. Put it in your basket. Hold it. Stand up, stand up. Okay, stand up. Now go find another egg. Do you see another egg anywhere? Where's another egg? Put it in your basket. Put it in your basket. Hold your basket and put it in it. Oh. Oh, he knows there's something in it. What's in it? Okay, put it in your basket. Okay, put it in your basket. Uh-oh. Put it in your basket and pick it up. Then we gotta find another egg. There's lots of them out here. Put it in the basket. Say, Daddy. There you go. Put it in the basket and go find another one. Okay, find another egg. Where's another one? Look around. Keep looking. Oh, there's one right there. Put it in your basket. Okay, go find another one. Ooh, is there another egg over there? I don't know. Keep looking. There's one. Put the other one in your basket. Okay, now find your other eggs. There's one. Good job. Good job. What is it? Candy? Can you say Easter Bunny? Oh, got the wrapper on it. Put it in the basket. Where are you going? Oh, there's another one. Go put it in your basket. You don't have your basket. Can we get the candy on the floor? Right here. Okay, let's go to your basket. Uh-oh. You dropped one. Candy! Come put him in your basket. Put it in your basket. Yeah, you want a piece?
Piece.